in the business school curriculum, we talk about marketing, we talk about finance, we talk about accounting, we talk about production. But what is the introduction to business? How do you find an opportunity? So nowadays, many business schools are creating a course which is known as business model. So business model involves answering 3 questions. And answer to each of these 3 questions should be 1 line each, not more than 1 line. If you go to the second line, you don't really understand your business, it will create a problem for you. Number 1 question is, what do we sell? Number 2 question is, to whom do we sell? And number 3 is, how do we sell? AI can help you better understand these 3 questions, and AI can help you better answer these 3 questions on that particular part. So if you can clearly answer, what do we sell? So what does Apple sell? We answer always, everybody, and people say they sell technology, they sell iPhone, they sell these different products. No, Apple sells ease of use. Apple says that we sell products which are incredibly easy to use. Then to whom do we sell? Anybody who wants ease of use. And how do we sell? So AI can help you answer these 3 questions in a much better way, and that's where you have to learn about that. Before I end, I must congratulate the conference organizers, because this is very critical topic for business education. This is very, very important topic for business education, and almost every business school is talking about how do we integrate AI into curriculum. In fact, I was mentioning to the professor that AACSP, which is the accrediting body for business schools in the United States and even across the globe, they are actually organizing a conference. They organized a conference in the US, and there are another conference being organized in Paris, which is basically focusing on how do we redevelop business curriculum so that we can integrate the role of artificial intelligence in various functional areas of business on that particular part. So my congratulations to you, my congratulations to the participants, and thank you once again for inviting me.